Hello and welcome. I'm way behind with Excel LinkedIn challenges, but not today. Today I will do, I think since 1 month, the first challenge, the every other day Excel and Power Query challenge 185 by Omid. Replace consecutive X. Let's see. I have a broad idea how to solve it. So what my idea is, because if it's consecutive more than once, replace it with x. So if you do something like that's I know that this will not work. Substitute and then get away with this. Replace it with once. It will only replace it here and here. So yeah, in packs, so to say. But what I will do is scan. My initial value will be this. Then my array will be sequence len of yeah, I think I will use here let. So let I for ID. Then this is I will later get rid of this stuff. Then L is len of I, and then scan I sequence L starting from L minus 1 lambda a b, and then replace or no, substitute. My text is A, O text is repeat, an X. The number of times is this times B, so that I'm going from like the whole numbers down to less numbers. Replace it with X. And then, okay, not scan, use reduce here. And I get the this as an output, the last one, and not every one. And you see, okay, it's okay. I haven't paid attention to this. It should not be case sensitive. So a substitute is case sensitive. But let's fix this. I should be then upper. No, not upper. Oh, that's a problem. So first, R for replace. So in this case, substitute in I and small x with a large X. I don't know if this is alright, because it could be that there's like here a single small x that shouldn't be replaced, but yeah. There are no rules here, so I don't play after the rules. And now, oh yeah, then I also need to use here R then. Okay, so what do we do here? We basically also map this, map lambda I, and then get rid of this part, as you know. So what do we, yes, I know, no, I don't know, what's this problem? Map array lambda I, too bad. Yeah, this was Bill, I can get rid of this, and we are finished. Okay, so what do we do here? So basically we map this in, then we substitute the small x out, it's only for this item. Then len I need for the array, and then I reduce. So I go here from the total length. I put out, so if the array is length 4, then I substitute 4x out against 1x. Done. Then 3x against 1x, 2x against 1x, and as it is done in packs, it will also be like not only single, the first one, so all appearances of those number of x's. So, and I will do this for all the length, for the whole length of this, and therefore even if the whole ID is only x's, I will get rid of them. And then do a substitute this, use repeat here, and we are done. Super easy, and so quite a simple challenge. So thank you for your attention. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.